All right, guys, since we're not zooming until Friday, I wanted to go through this real quickly. This was from today or Wednesday's mini quiz, and I want to kind of go over two questions real quick. The first one that a lot of you missed was this one here, where it asks, the prompt is not here, it's just the picture of the graph, but the prompt asked us how many more sunny days than rainy days for just April through June. Okay, so we can immediately cross out March. Okay, now all we need to do is add up all the sunny days and subtract the rainy days. So we have 11, 22, and 23. And when you add 11 plus 22 plus 23, you get 56. All right, now let's change color real quick and get to the cloudy days. Or rainy days. We'll use blue for rain. All right, so rainy days, April, there were 19. There are more rainy days in April than sunny days. But when we get to May, we have 9 and 7 for June. So now adding these together, 19 plus 9 is 28, and 28 plus 7 is 35. So 19 plus 9 plus 7 equals 35. 56 minus 35 equals 21. More sunny days than rainy days. Okay? All right, and on this one is... This is called a scatter plot, okay? It's got a bunch of points all over the place. You can draw an imaginary line through kind of like the middle of these plots, okay? So just kind of go through the middle of all these dots. That's about the middle of them. And you can tell that we have a downward facing scatter plot, okay? Anytime we're reading a graph, we're reading from left to right. So starting from the left and going towards the right, and we're falling down as we go to the right. That means we're going in a negative direction, okay? Down is negative, all right? If this was flipped and it was going upward, okay, where the dots were going, let's pick green for this. If the dots kind of looked like this, that would be positive, okay? Now, sometimes you may have, we're going to use, let me pick a different color real quick, yellow. Okay, this yellow one, let me write positive for green. If we go to yellow, if you had a dot plot that kind of looked like, let me make a bigger dots, like this, where you have dots just all over the graph, no rhyme or reason, that is no trend, okay? There's no trend there, all right? It's just all over the place. So yellow is no trend. But the original one that we used was red, or the dots that they have were red, and that was negative. All right, gotta go. Bye, guys. See y'all later.